So good to see all of you. Good afternoon. How should I start with you people? So is it, if I were to define you, would it be something like, I will succeed, not immediately, but definitely and absolutely. I will take action when others hesitate. I will think big when others don't. I will sacrifice when others won't. I will dare to dream of greatness when others would fear. Isn't that your definition? That's how an entrepreneur is.
And Prashant has recently got funding of around 80 crore rupees. So this is the highest till now from our college. I welcome Prashant, and he will be sharing his experiences.
You might not know, whatever things you're doing today in PSIT, it will help you in the long way. So what I would suggest is be more active, try finding more exposure. There are enough opportunities out there. Try to seek them, try to chase them. And you might think that nothing is moving, nothing is happening, but later on you realize that whatever learnings you had are helping you in some way or the other. So then IIT Bombay happened. That was the first 2 years in my life where I studied and did nothing. And I was like, बहुत कर लिया है PSIT में extracurricular, no extracurricular here.
Just unlike you.
And then got a job with Samsung R&D. Was the first time when I learned how to make products, digital products, make apps and all of it. And few things happened there again. So where I grew from an individual contributor to a team lead in a matter of 4 to 5 months, got double promotions in 1 year. So all of these things happened, and I realized that the whole coordination ability that I was able to get during Ignitia are helping me back. Then I quit Samsung. I mean, like I told you, right, that whole entrepreneurial bug was there in me where I thought I should rather do something on my own and build something. So I quit Samsung to start a SaaS platform, which later on I realized was not a scalable business, could not become a large business. Got some wisdom, got some guidance from my seniors at IIT Bombay, I would say. And then shut this, moved on to Microsoft, worked there for a year. Again, kept on building products, but for the US market. And then got together with some of the juniors from IIT Bombay from my hostel and started working on few ideas.
I would also like to thank, all the staff members that used to sit in 824. And I have a very specific reason for the same. So, as Pranay Valsar has told that I've started 2 companies. So in those 2 companies, I have taken a lot of interviews. And during those interviews, I found a very, very typical problem with the students. All these students are very good, when it comes to knowledge. But when it comes to soft skill, when it comes to, attitude, they have a problem. And that is where the training and, the training infrastructure that PSIT offers is you can compare to any big college in India. I have taken a lot of interviews, more than 300 interviews I have taken in those 4 years, but it is very difficult to match. If you talk about dairy industry, there are very big players which are doing, revenues in thousands of crores. But what makes me very happy about, to be a part of this company is the product range that we are offering. We are the only brand in India to, offer antibiotic-free milk. We are the only brand to offer whole milk, A2 milk. And the complete byproduct range that we are offering in India is preservative-free, the only company to do it. Actually, we have a range of 50 dairy products, from liquid milk to Greek yogurt to mozzarella cheese. We are making all the products in-house. Our facility, which is in Ahmednagar, and our entire distribution is based out of Pune.
Engineering from PSIT at 2015. And that time my family was into plastic battery containers manufacturing for inverters, automotives, solar. After my BTech, I joined SP Jain, Mumbai, for a very specialized course in family business management. There I got an opportunity to learn from corporate trainers from all over the world working in the top MNCs, not the professors exactly. So I got an opportunity to travel many different countries for visiting various industries. So I got a good exposure of visiting different manufacturing industries like Toyota's mother plant in Tokyo, and Hyundai's car plant in Korea, Samsung's plant, and so on and so forth. So after I completed my MBA, within a few years of more learning from the existing business, I started my own venture known as Royal Homeware. So in Royal Homeware, we make daily plastic products, daily need household products like buckets, mugs, dustbins, kitchen jars, containers, bottles, and everything which you require in your daily life. We make them. And so in like last 2 years, we have made more than 150 new products we have made in last 2 years. And it has been a really nice journey. So we are distributing it all over North India, UP, Bihar, Assam. We are catering to the farthest of the northeastern region of the country as well. And this year, we've also started exports to some European areas as well.
Gujarat, that is the largest incubator in India. That is iCreate Ahmedabad. iCreate Ahmedabad. So iCreate Ahmedabad, that is the dream project of Mr. Startup is supported by them only and funded by जो हम लोगों का अभी जो फंडिंग चैनल चल रहा है काफी ज़्यादा that is in stages. पहले 2 लाख मिला, फिर 4 लाख मिला, ऐसे ऐसे करके हम लोगों को अभी स्टेज में आए हैं. So हमारा प्रोडक्शन पार्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. And I am love to have a device जो आपको मैं शो करूँगा. That is a space sanitizer.
It was Ignition 12. So Ignition 12, I was working in this robotics part, and there was a guy, Saurabh Yadav sir, and he was in 3rd year. And we all know, I guess, we all have heard about the Madhav sir. So he passed out in 2011, and he was there as well. And we always wanted to work for the robotics and Robokshetra. And I had some ideas, okay, to work in the team. So at that time, there was a rule kind of thing that only hostlers can stay and can work in a team. And I was like, that's not fine. And I wanted to work. And I went to a couple of people and I said, okay, I want to work. So they didn't, allowed me there. And then what I did, okay, let me go there and, show some work, show some design skills, show some artist skills of mine, and somebody will recognize it.
I and Prakhar started thinking about something. As Prakhar said, we formed a project report, some non-registered group of people working together to help and create designs and projects, and started talking to different people to join us for this motive to give the design aspect of our life, or something to change and give to students what we miss. Meanwhile, we also start preparing for seed exam, and fortunately we cracked that.
Cafe is a cafe chain platform for providing nutritious and healthy food product to its consumer.
I am Prakhar Ghetri, and
myself Sachin Verma.
Actually, one thing that is common in all the speakers, it's very easy to find out that it's PSIT. Everything is the most common factor. Everybody has some or the other way to thank to PSIT, and our own journey. It's a perfect amalgamation of like TZI and PSIT. Both are perfectly linked to each other. All our first in the starting phase, first office, first revenue, first public speaking chance, first investor meet, everything, all those first that we can imagine of. It's always been the part of
BTech CS in 2015, and my journey started from there. In 2015 एक आइडिया था और बड़े बड़े सपने थे कि $1 billion कंपनीज बनानी है 5 years में, इस तरीके से चीजें थी. देन 2016 आता है और कॉलेज PSIT जहाँ पर था, जहाँ से कहानी शुरू होती है, एक बेहतरीन इकोसिस्टम बन रहा था. TDP की इवेंट्स हो रही थी, इग्नाइट आइडिया कॉन्टेस्ट हो रहे थे, इधर इंक्यूबेशन सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा था कि जाओ ऑफिस में बैठो जा करके कॉलेज के बाद. तो मतलब पूरा एक बेहतरीन इकोसिस्टम बन रहा था. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की ओर से भी स्टार्टअप इंडिया, स्टैंड अप इंडिया बन रहा था. प्रिकर्सर वगैरह अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू कर ही चुके थे, तो एक बेहतरीन इकोसिस्टम मिलता है 2016 में। और अब जो आइडिया था उस पर वर्क करने का टाइम आ गया था, और यही सोचा हुआ था कि अगले 5-6 ईयर्स में एक बड़ी कंपनी बन जाएगी। एक्चुअली जर्नी काफी अभी छोटी है, 2017 में ही मैंने कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड करवाया और 20 अभी चल ही रहा है, तो 3 इयर्स की जर्नी है। लेकिन ये 2 पार्ट्स में है, एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करने से पहले और एक उसके बाद में। सो पूरा इकोसिस्टम मिल ही चुका था, लगातार हम लोग इवेंट्स करते थे, इग्नाइट आइडिया कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट भी होते थे, कई बार 3rd 4th भी आते थे, कई बार कोई आइडिया नहीं सेलेक्ट होता था। तो ये सभी चल रहा था, लेकिन सपने काफी बड़े बड़े थे। उसके बाद फर्स्ट जो सक्सेस मिलती है वो 2018 में मिलती है।